Hey, what's up, you guys? So, today I will show you how to go live on TikTok. So, let's start. Now, first, let's open up TikTok. But the thing with TikTok is you cannot go live if you don't have at least 1,000 followers. So, here's what we can do. Let's close this up and tap on the profile icon on the lower right corner of your screen. Now, from here, tap on the three dots on the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down from the list of topics and tap on Live Transaction. Next, tap on I'd like to start a live. From the options below, tap on No and tap on Still have problems. Now in this section, you can actually send your feedback and also request that you want to go live. So what's going to happen is 2 days after you send this report, they will give you permission to go live. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.